Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn a new word. So I'm going to start to show you a letter and you're going to make the sound of that letter. Are we ready?
Yeah. I,
And what sound does it make?
it,
And
s,
there's two sounds an S makes. What are those two sounds?
s,
And
z,
so let's see. Let's try those sounds.
s,
Or is.
z,
What sound should this S be making?
z.
Z. Very nice. So I'm going to give you guys a sentence, and then you're going to give me three other sentences. My sentence is, what kind of dog is that? Can I get a sentence from anybody?
The dog is fast.
Good job. The dog is fast. Can I get another one?
The dog is big.
The dog is big. And one more.
The teacher is not fast.
The teacher is not fast. So that would make the teacher what?
Not fast.
And that would be
Slow.
slow. Very nice. All right, so we're going to say it. So we're going to make the sounds of the letters, and then we're going to spell it. Ready? Is. So we have I, S, is. Everybody with me? I, S, is. Again, I, S, is. Can you guys spell it with me too? I, S, is. Very nice. So on my whiteboard, I have the word is, but we're missing a sound. What sound are we missing?
It.
We're missing it. And what letter makes that sound?
I.
I. Very nice. So can somebody spell that word and say it? Say it out loud.
I, S, is.
Very nice. Now we're going to write it all together. So can everybody get out their piece of paper and a pencil? We're going to say it and write it as a class. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. So what is the first sound?
It.
It. And remind me what letter makes that sound?
I.
I. Very nice. So we have it. And what's our last letter?
S.
S. And what sound does the S make?
Z.
Z.
And s.
And S. Very nice. So we have I, S.
Is.
Is. I, S.
Is.
Is. Very good. So now we're going to learn another one a little differently. So you can go ahead and put down your pencils and paper. We won't need those just yet. All right. So we're going to do the same thing. As I start to show you this word, you're going to sound it out to me, and then we're going to put that all together. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Caused.
Try it again. Caused. So what word is this?
Caused.
Caused. Very nice. So we're going to do sentences again, and I'm going to start. My sentence is, what caused that big storm? Can anybody else give me a sentence?
The low pressure system caused the big storm.
Very nice. The low pressure system caused the big storm. I need another sentence for caused.
The teacher caused me to get in trouble.
The teacher caused me to get in trouble. I know that's not true, right?
It's true because I said so.
Caused I said so. And one more sentence.
The big fluffy cat caused the vacuum to clog.
Ooh, the big fluffy cat caused the vacuum to clog. Very nice. We're going to spell it and say it. Are we ready? We have C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Again, C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Very nice. So we're going to look at our whiteboard. Now, I have the word up on the board, but I'm missing a few sounds. So what letters am I missing? We have ka. Ooh.
Can I have an A?
An A. Where do we think the A goes? Because we have
first spot.
Okay, and what letter should go with an A to make the ah sound?
U.
U. Okay, so let's double check it. Let's sound it out again. We have caused. Ready? Caused. Spell it again. C-A-U-S-E-D. And yes, the S makes the what sound for this? Z. And what do E-D? What sound does those make together?
Ed.
Ed, yep. And the C, what sound does the C make for this?
The
K. And then we have our AU makes the ah sound. Remember? Very nice. These are our phonics. So now we're going to write it all together. You can go ahead and pick up your pen and pencil and your piece of paper.
Okay.
All right. We're going to sound it out and write it all together. Are you ready?
I can't see. C.
We're going to sound it out.
Oh.
Ka.
Ka. Ah. Z. Ed.
Good job. Caused. Ready? So now I'm going to say it so you guys can write it. We have
Ed.
Good job. We're going to spell it again and read it one more time.
Ka.
Spell it.
Oh, sorry.
C-A-U-S-E-D. Cause. Let's do that one more time. C-A-U-S-E-D. Very nice. So we learned 2 new words today. What was our first one again?
Is.
Is. And what was our other one?
Is. Cause.
Caused. Very nice. So those were our 2 new words for the day. Good job, boys and girls.